Memory foam mattresses by Zenus arrive at your doorstep compressed in a box. Our innovative packaging and design make the experience of buying a new mattress simple and convenient. Here's how our memory foam mattress goes from a box to a comfortable premium memory foam mattress in just 4 easy steps, taking only a few minutes. Before opening your mattress, bring the mattress to the bedroom and remove the mattress from the box. Carefully peel away the outer wrapping, making sure you don't cut into the clear plastic. Then lay it on your box spring or platform bed. Unroll the compressed mattress and cut one side of the clear plastic wrapper and watch as the mattress begins to decompress. Pull away the clear plastic wrapper. We recommend allowing your new mattress 24 to 48 hours to fully expand to its original size, although sleeping on the mattress will not affect the recovery process. Our mattresses are designed to help you discover a better, more comfortable sleep. Customers say our mattresses are comparable to mattresses costing 4 times as much and provide a restorative sleep experience night after night. Foam use in our mattresses is CertaPure US certified, tested by an independent laboratory to meet specific criteria for physical performance, indoor emissions, and environmental stewardship. Discover better sleep with Zenus.
The Memoir series of mattresses in 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch deliver big on comfort while minimizing the pressure on the body for well-balanced support. The soft knit fabric cover enveloped layers of high-performance viscoelastic memory foam and high-density poly-based foam for years of lasting comfort and an unparalleled sleep experience. Experience a better place to sleep with the Signature Collection mattresses from Signature Sleep. The Contour 8 mattress with CertaPure US certified foam is designed with a premium quilted cover to make you feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. The independently encased coil springs provide equal weight distribution and relieves pressure along the shoulders, spine, hips, and feet for complete balance support. For additional comfort, the independently encased coil springs eliminate motion disturbance and deliver a better quality of sleep.